What is the Cagebot? The Cagebot is an awesome do-it-yourself robotic kit with both easy-to-use software and very rigid hardware components. It was designed to give you complete creative freedom to build whatever robotic application you have in mind. So whether you want to build a solid GoPro camera rig or a smartphone-controlled vacuum cleaner, Cagebot is the perfect choice for you. The Cagebot team consists of professional German developers based in Berlin and Taipei. We were frustrated with the solutions on the market, so now we want to create a tool that everyone can use. Software tools to start right away are waiting for you, and we will provide future software development to support and advance your ideas. Cagebot will teach you more about the world of technology. You will easily learn how to create your own system, and soon you will go beyond your limits. We created the software system with a user in mind who isn't really an expert in programming, yet still wants to move beyond analog parts right into the digital age. Therefore, Cagebot enables you to incorporate sophisticated components like ultrasound sensors with just a couple of clicks. And the best part is, you can use your smartphone and tablets doing it, because high multimedia compatibility was one of our priorities with Cagebot. We use state-of-the-art technology. Our construction is super stable and will support all of your ideas. We use planetary gear motors, so you will never feel a lack of power. And our controller can manage even your most complicated tasks. The design of the Cagebot hardware follows two main premises. A, it needs to be extremely versatile to spark creativity by freeing you from any technical constraint. And B, it needs to be very rigid to master even demanding outdoor tasks. We are ready to go. After a 3-year development phase, we hold a finished product in our hands. We have a full manufacturing chain in place with contracts to all the necessary partners. Now we need your support to start production and make this a reality. So, spread the word and help us to improve the DIY sector with this great product. Help us to make Cagebot a success. So, be part of it, because Cagebot grows with your ideas.